It's time to let go of your old friends. You have clearly outgrown them, but you can't bear to let them go. Why should you? Because they are holding you back. We've all made many friends throughout our lives. Friends from our early days in school, friends we have met through other friends, through hobbies, or just through normal day-to-day encounters. We have created many great memories with them that we look back upon fondly. However, as we grew older, we started to distance ourselves away from them. It's not because we don't like them anymore, but it's simply a natural result of us growing up. Whether it be a change in interest or you have moved on to a separate phase of life that's different from your friend. Despite this, some of us reminisce so fondly upon the past that we refuse to truly move on from them. Our life goals with our friends are clearly different after changing or graduating school, but we want to cling as tightly as possible to them. You send futile happy birthday messages to them despite not talking to them for a while, reply to their Instagram stories, or send the occasional text in group chats, hoping to stay in contact with them in the hopes of maybe recreating that memory that you have looked upon so fondly that happened many years back. If they reciprocate, sure, maybe you can have that happy ending that you have always dreamed of, but more often times, that friend has already moved on, and you're just holding yourself back by chaining to that fading memory. One thing that we have to understand is that friends are just like passerbys in our lives. As you walk along on your journey, they'll walk into your lives, teach you many valuable lessons whether it be good or bad, and then they'll continue walking on their own journey. Some like the conversation, stayed a little longer in your journey, but sooner or later, they will leave. Not because they hate the time spent with you, but they have their own journey to travel and destination to reach. Will you hold them back and drag them away from their journey? Or will you accept that fact, let them go, and wish them all the best for their future endeavors? It's difficult. It really is. I had a friend that used to be my best friend. We used to share the same interests and goals and created many fond memories together during our schooling days. However, circumstances happened and we moved on with our own separate lives after graduation. Despite not meeting each other, we still get together again once a year during our annual class gathering. In 2019, COVID happened and our annual gathering stopped. He dropped me a text saying that he'll definitely be there after COVID. It was only after social gathering restrictions has been removed more significantly in 2022, where he said he's not going to our annual gathering anymore, that I had that wake-up call. It was only at this point that I realized I may have been trying to avoid seeing the truth that has always been right in front of me. My friend has moved on. Sometimes, the most difficult thing to do is usually the right one. As difficult as it is to let go of your friends that wants to leave or simply moved on with their lives, it is a key step for us to reach our own goals. Clinging to the past will only hold you back from moving forward. You'll always be looking back at the good old times when you should have been looking forward to that bright future of yours that you can change. You can't change the past, but you can change the future. Why create old memories when you can create new ones? You only have one life. Don't hold yourself back. Don't chain yourself. Look straight, let go, make new friends, and keep moving forward.